Are you struggling to log out of your Apple ID or iCloud account because the sign out button is either missing or grayed out? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple fixes to resolve this issue on your iPhone. Let's dive right into the solutions and get you back on track. Solution 1. Connect to the internet. First, make sure your mobile data is on or connect to Wi-Fi. Then, go ahead and open Settings. After that, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the Settings page. Next, scroll down a bit and check if the sign out button appears. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, scroll down to the Allow Changes section. After that, tap on Accounts. Make sure you select Allow. Now, restart your iPhone for the changes to take effect. Solution 3. Update iOS. First, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install to get the latest features and bug fixes. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode. Now, tap Reset all settings to confirm. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was helpful.